In today's video, we'll be giving you a beginner's guide on how to get started with the Arduino IDE. Whether you're an absolute beginner or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, to get started, you'll need to download the Arduino IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. Head over to Arduino's official website, click on Software, and download the version that matches your operating system, whether that's Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once you've downloaded and installed it, open up the Arduino IDE. Now, this is where all the magic happens. This is where you'll write the code that tells your Arduino board what to do. To help you get familiar with the environment, Arduino has a number of built-in examples. One of the easiest projects to start with is the Blink sketch. It's a simple program that makes an LED light blink on your Arduino board. To access this, go to File, Examples, and then choose Basics and click on Blink. Once you've loaded the Blink sketch, make sure your Arduino board is connected to your computer using a USB cable. You'll also need to select the correct board and port from the Tools menu. For most people, the Arduino Uno is a popular choice. Now, all you need to do is click the Upload button, and your code will be sent to the board. You should see the LED start blinking almost immediately. Congratulations, you've just written your first Arduino program. And that's it. It's really that simple to get started with Arduino. From here, you can explore more projects, modify the code, and experiment with different components. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. See you next time.